So I'm now looking at the Year 5 scheme of work. So there are 4 little packs of lesson all together, if you like. First one is about Happy New Year. Then we have one lesson to practice the verb to be pantomime style. The main topic of the half term is going to be going to the market, so fruits and vegetables, and making a healthy recipe. So all of that is going to be spring 1 in Year 5. So after you've done your Happy New Year lesson, your second lesson will be about the verb to be pantomime style. So it's an opportunity to do some grammar and to look at a very important verb, to be, quite irregular. But they will have already probably come across some of the verb to be when they're doing phrases. I am, or he is, or she is. So they might be a little bit familiar with some of these phrases that you're going to explore. Well, you're going to introduce the idea of verb paradigms and also irregular verbs. Well, we're going to do it in a fun way because it's January. We're doing it pantomime styles. So this is basically a really lovely lesson based on practicing the whole paradigms of the verb to be, and with the pantomime characters. So we've got masks, okay, for the children to put on and pretend they are Cinderella, Prince Charming, etc. For some of you who are into drama, that leads really well to nice drama based lesson. Okay, and after that, you're moving into the main topic of the half term, which is going to be all about fruits and vegetables at the market, if you like. So in this unit, they are revisiting fruits and veg, because again, if you're following the scheme of work, in Year 3, they will have learned some nouns already when they did the Hungry Giant story. So they will remember some of the nouns you practice, but you're going to extend that. It's an opportunity from a grammar point of view to look at gender, singular, plural, again using the detective skills, bilingual dictionaries as well. In Year 5, we would expect the children to become more and more familiar with using the bilingual dictionary. We're going to introduce some role play phrases because that unit lends itself really well to sort of at the market. So we're going to slowly build simple dialogues and conversation, and that would lead really well to green screen activity, for example, where you can take the children to a French or a Spanish market and have them practicing their conversation there. Also, because you're doing market conversation, it's also a good opportunity to look at numbers, bigger numbers, so up to 50. So again, good opportunity for revisiting numbers and using them in your conversation, talking about money as well, talking about euros. And then finally, the last lesson plan, a healthy recipe, is our little take on MasterChef. So children are going to be working to create a fruit salad, and they have to write a recipe how they prepare the fruit salad. So which fruit they choose, how do they prepare the fruit, so what they have to cut, to chop, to add, to mix, all of these. And that again, brilliant opportunity for a performance, taking a little video of the children doing their recipe, using green screen again, that'd be a brilliant idea.